In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate and make the most out of Trailhead by Salesforce, which is a fun and effective way to engage with and learn about Salesforce. First, we're going to start by heading over to the Trailhead website. This is your one-stop destination for Salesforce learning resources, offering a user-friendly interface that's perfect for both beginners and seasoned users alike. You'll immediately notice that the website is designed to make your learning journey engaging and interactive, with a variety of resources at your fingertips. Once you're on the site, one of the first things you'll want to focus on is the Learn tab. This area of the site is incredibly valuable as it aggregates the educational content that Trailhead has to offer. Here, you can explore various modules and projects that cater to different aspects of Salesforce. You'll find content that's tailored to different skills levels, from beginner to advanced, ensuring that every user finds material that suits their needs. Don't hesitate to dive into this tab, as it's a treasure trove of learning opportunities. Next, let's turn our attention to the Community section. This is where Trailhead truly comes to life. The community is a vibrant hub of Salesforce enthusiasts and experts who come together to share experiences, solve problems, and inspire each other. By engaging with the community, you can gain insights that aren't available in textbooks, and you can ask questions or take part in discussions that can deepen your understanding of the platform. It's a perfect place to network and learn from like-minded individuals. Now, click on the feed to see the latest updates and discussions happening within the Trailhead community. This feed is your gateway to staying current with trends, news, and interactions among users. It's a living stream of information where real-time updates ensure you're always in the loop with what's happening in the Salesforce sphere of Sabo. Pay special attention to the Explore Agentforce feature within Trailhead. This area provides you with insights into the practical applications of Agentforce, enriching your learning experience by connecting theoretical knowledge to real-world applications. Briefly explore the resources here to get an understanding of how Salesforce is utilized in different scenarios. Finally, make your way to the Learning section and choose Learning on Trailhead. This is where you can customize your educational journey, selecting the specific skills and topics you want to master within the Salesforce ecosystem. You'll discover a variety of learning paths and badges you can earn as you progress, offering a tangible sense of achievement and progress. By following these steps and exploring these features, you'll be well on your way to mastering the Salesforce platform with Trailhead's engaging and comprehensive resources. Feel free to revisit any of these sections as you continue your learning journey,